today, this is my waiting season diary series, episode 7. Honestly, I'm still figuring out how I can make my everyday routine be a productive. I wanna try my best to live each day with purpose. I may not have everything figured out yet and not really sure where to start, but I believe that even small steps can help me become more productive each day. Most of my morning days usually starts with making a coffee and scrolling through TikTok videos. And to be honest, I rarely do exercise. Kahit yung simpleng paglalakad lang ng 10 minutes every morning ay napakadalang ko na lang gawin. But lately, I've been realizing that even small habits like that could really help me start my day better. Dati nga ay may mga ginagawa akong plan for my day. Sinusulat ko yung mga gusto kong gawin at tapusin sa isang araw. Pero hindi ko rin nagagawa yun noon. Now, I wanna make myself be a productive. Yet, I don't know how I start it. So, what I did is I searched a tips online of being how to be a productive every day. And to become my days productive, here are the tips I got from internet. The first one is start your day with God. Before of anything else, or before checking phones or anything every morning, pray first. Sabi din sa tip, magbasa ng Bible kahit 10 to 15 minutes each day. Plan your day with prayer. Instead of making to-do list only, offer my plans to God. Lahat ng mga plano ko at gusto kong gawin sa araw na yon ay dapat kong ipagdasal sa Diyos. Do work as worship. Whatever I do, studying or writing, I will offer those to God. Even small tasks become meaningful when it's done with love and integrity. Use and talk God throughout the day. Connection with God doesn't end in the morning. Protect your mind. Limit negative thoughts and listen to uplifting message. At ang ginagawa ko naman kapag masyado na ako nag-overthink at nawawala sa focus ay nakikinig ako ng mga worship songs. End the day with reflection and before sleep, talk to God again. Yan ang mga nakuha kong tips sa internet. O diba, ang ganda. Sana ay magawa ko talaga ang mga yan.